This is the 6th episode, and here we'll render the list. First, let's create a new component. So open your code editor, open src and components. Here, create a new file, renderingList.js. Create a functional component, so add export default function and a component name. In return, let's add a div tag, and let's also add the class box. Inside this div, add s2 tag for the title, mylist. Now let's import this component under app.js. On top, import rendering list. Then at the bottom, use rendering list as an element. Once done, check the preview. And now we can see my list. It means our component is working. Now let's create some data. So go back to your component. On the top, create products array. And inside this array, let's add some object with property ID and title. Let's add few more data. So let's change the ID and the title. So now, to use this products data, we need to use the map function. So just after this s2 tag, add the ul tag, and inside this ul tag, let's use the map function. So add products.map. We can then access product. Inside return, let's add the li tag. Now, to access the title from the products data, we can use product.title in curly brace. Likewise, we can also use the key attribute, and we can add product.id. Once done, check the preview. And now we can see all the data over here. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll learn about responding to event. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.